Good morning students, welcome again to our next class of class 7th English. I, Shweta Somra, am your English teacher and today we will read our second poem, The Rebel. You all know what a rebel is. Yes or no? We'll discuss in this poem. Now the poem is written by D.J. Enright. His full name is Dennis Joseph Enright. So before starting the detailed explanation of the poem, we will start with a little introduction of the poet. This poem is written by D.J. Enright. Dennis Joseph Enright. He was a British academic poet. He was born in 1920 and he died in the year 2002. ठीक है? This is all we know about him. इतना ही जानना बहुत है. ठीक है बेटा? He was an academic poet. He was an English lecturer in Britain and he used to write poems and stories about children's also, as well as he was a good critic as well. ठीक है बेटा? This is all we need to know about D.J. Enright. Now he is writing a poem named Rebel. What do you mean by the word rebel? Have you seen people around you who never agrees to what you all says? They never say yes when everybody is saying yes for something or the other. Yes or no? You must have seen so many people behaving like this, right? So rebel means a person who is not going with the crowd, who is not accepting the rules, regulations, norms of the society, of the government, of any authority. ठीक है? Rebel वो होता है जो किसी भी authority, government के against रहता है, उसको उनकी कोई भी rules, regulations या norms accept नहीं होते. He gives his own thought, वो अपने आप सोचता है, अपने हिसाब से ही काम करता है. You must have seen such students in your class as well. While teacher is explaining you a lesson, what does a rebel do? He will create noise in the class and you all are sitting quietly and listening to what your teacher is saying. Same what he does when you all want to play, rebel will sit quietly in the class. He will not utter a single word. And when teacher will explain something, he will be the first one to have objection on. Right? So this is what a rebel does. He always does opposite to what people are doing or what society or a crowd is doing. उन सब से वो अलग ही रहता है बेटा. ठीक है? So first of all, let's move on to the dictionary meaning of the rebel. सबसे पहले हम dictionary meaning की बात करते हैं. Dictionary में rebel के बारे में क्या बताया है? Dictionary meaning of rebel explains a person who fights against his or her country's government because he or she wants to change. Government के भी against है. ठीक है? He is not agreeing with what government is implementing. वो बिल्कुल भी नहीं accept करता government के rules, regulations और norms को. Or a person who refuses to obey people in authority or to accept rules. People in authority क्या होते हैं बेटा? वो लोग जो rules बनाते हैं या जो power में हैं. All right? The rebels are not accepting even the people of authority and they go against them. Every time they will say ये सही नहीं है, ऐसा ही करना चाहिए. Okay? And this is the reason rebels are not liked in the society. Rebels जो हैं उनको society में लोग पसंद नहीं करते. But it is good to have rebel. ठीक है? Rebel होना अच्छी ही बात है. Why? Because a rebel thinks other side of a coin about the same thing. What government or what authority in your school or at home, what is authority at home? Parents. तो जो government है in our country और society में या कहीं भी या school में आपका जो administration है, वो जो भी norms या regulations आप लोगों के लिए बनाते हैं, he is the first one to disobey. Rebel will not agree with any of the rules. He will always say ऐसा नहीं होगा, मैं ऐसा नहीं करूँगा. I will go away from the line. ठीक है? So this is the reason rebels are not liked at all. Rebels always go opposite to others. They have their own different views about anything, and that too always opposite to others. Rebels के भी खुद के views होते हैं, but they are always opposite to others. अगर मैं सोच रही हूँ कि मैं कहीं घूमने जाऊँ, आज मौसम बहुत अच्छा है, बारिश होने वाली है, बाहर चलते हैं, what a rebel will say, नहीं आज कहीं नहीं जाना, घर पे बैठ के बुक पढ़ेंगे. All right? When most of the people are agreeing on a same point, rebel will disagree. वो completely disagree करेगा. Now इसका हिंदी में मैं क्या word आपको explain कर सकती हूँ to make it easy for you? Rebel means बागी. Have you heard the name बागी? और विद्रोह करने वाला, विद्रोही, rebellion. All right? So this is the Hindi synonym for rebel. Got it everyone? Rebels क्या होते हैं, समझ में आया? Like you all are friends, okay, and you all are planning to go to watch a movie in theater. Rebel will say, no, I have lots of work at home, I am not going anywhere. All right? Or if you are having some birthday party and all sorts of celebration somewhere, and all the friends are wearing very good, beautiful, colorful clothes, rebel will wear very simple clothes, as if a t-shirt or a Bermuda, because he wants to be different from the crowd. Every time, every point of time, he wants his different views. He is not accepting the authority. Okay? So let's move on to the poem. Do you know anyone who always disagrees with you or your friends, or likes to do opposite of what everyone thinks they should do? So he likes to do opposite of what everyone likes to do. उल्टा करना है. Okay? When we are moving in this direction, rebel will move in this direction. आप कहेंगे आज बारिश हो रही है, अच्छा है. रेबल कहेगा नहीं आज तो धूप आनी चाहिए थी. बारिश is not good. ठीक है? It should not have rained. ये अच्छा नहीं है. Think of a word to describe such a person. What will be the word to describe such a person? Obviously, rebel. Discuss with your partner some of the things such a person generally does. Now read the poem. Now we will discuss it. We have already discussed it, what a rebel does, and now we will read the poem. Students, let me tell you one thing. This is a very casual, simple, very simple poem. Okay? There are no difficult words or no hidden meaning of such sort in this poem. So just read it along with me and try to understand, and also relate it to your rebellion classmate if you have any. When everybody has short hair, the rebel lets his hair grow long. Now when everyone is having short hair, जब सब लोग छोटे छोटे बाल रख रहे हैं, रेबल को क्या करना है? बड़े बाल रखने हैं. उल्टा करना है ना सबसे. He is doing opposite from others. जब सबके छोटे बाल होंगे, रेबल बड़े बाल रखेगा. When everybody has long hair, the rebel cuts his hair short. और जब सबके बड़े बड़े बाल होंगे, लंबे लंबे बाल होंगे, तब रेबल को कैसे चाहिए बाल? छोटे छोटे बाल. He will say, short hair is in fashion, not long hair, so I am going to keep short hair. Okay? When everybody talks during the lesson, the rebel doesn't say a word. Now, what a rebel does, when everybody in the class is discussing about some lesson or a topic, okay, all the students are discussing, rebel will sit mum, sit quietly in the class. He will not utter a single word. कुछ नहीं बोलेगा. But when nobody talks during the lesson, the rebel creates the disturbance. When teacher is teaching in a class, जब टीचर कोई भी टॉपिक को एक्सप्लेन कर रहे हैं क्लास में, at that point of time, everybody in the class is sitting quietly without making any noise. But what is rebellion doing? Rebel will create disturbance. He will create noise in the class. He will prompt from the back side. He will disturb the class. Okay, so this is what a rebel does. You can see in the picture, when she's having long hair, rebel will have short, or when they'll have short, rebel will have long. Now in the class also, everyone is sitting quietly and listening to the teacher, but this rebel is getting a scolding from a teacher. Nice thrashing, okay, because he disturbed the class. All right. When everybody wears a uniform, the rebel dresses in fantastic clothes. Now in school, you know, we all wear uniform. Students are wearing uniforms. So when everybody is in uniform, uniform means same kind of clothes. Okay, एक ही जैसे, uni means one. एक ही तरह के फॉर्म में सब, कपड़ों में सब हैं, तो रेबल क्या पहनेगा? फैंटास्टिक, कलरफुल, ब्यूटीफुल, गुड लुकिंग क्लोथ्स. ठीक है, रेबल विल वेयर फैंटास्टिक क्लोथ्स व्हेन एवरीवन इज वेयरिंग सिंपल क्लोथ्स. When everybody wears fantastic clothes, the rebel dresses soberly. And now when everybody is getting ready for some party or some function or whatsoever, rebel wears very simple, sober clothes because he wants to be different from the crowd. वो सबसे भीड़ से अलग होता है, अलग सोचता है. ठीक है, so he do everything opposite. In the company of dog lovers, the rebel expresses a preference for cats. Now when dog lovers are sitting somewhere in a garden or a park, rebel will go there and he will say cats are better than dogs. He will express his preference for cats. वो कहेगा dogs ज़्यादा अच्छे नहीं होते, cats are far better than dogs. ठीक है, क्योंकि उसको उल्टा करना है, जो भी लोग कर रहे हैं उससे opposite उसको बोलना है. In the company of cat lovers, the rebellion puts in a good word for dogs. Now when cat lovers are sitting somewhere, he will not say cats are good. What he will say? Dogs are good. He will say a good word for dogs. All right. You can easily think and give a thought to this, that whatever rebellion is doing is completely opposite or different from what people are doing. Every time, every point of time, he is just thinking or doing something different. ठीक है बेटा, you all have rebels in your classes also. All right. क्लास में भी कोई ना कोई आपको मिल ही जाएगा, जिनके लिए टीचर बोलेंगी don't sit or don't make friends with him or her. He is not a good boy. She is not a good girl because he is not listening to the teachers properly. He is not wearing clean clothes. Okay, there are so many reasons to be a rebel in the class. Okay, when everybody is praising the sun, you can see in this picture there is a beautiful sun and there is a clear sky. Now when there is a sun, what people will say? They are praising sun. Praising means admiring. Praising means beta admiring. एडमायरिंग मतलब अप्रिशिएट करना. ठीक है, तो जब लोगों को सन अच्छा लग रहा है, धूप अच्छी लग रही है, तो रेबल को क्या लगेगा? अच्छा लगेगा सन. द रेबल रिमार्क्स ऑन द नीड फॉर रेन. रेबल कहेगा नहीं नहीं नहीं, बारिश ही होनी चाहिए. सन शुड नॉट बी देयर. धूप अच्छी नहीं है, क्या होना चाहिए? बारिश होनी चाहिए. ठीक है, नाउ यू कैन सी थंडर एज वेल एज रेन. ठीक है, when everybody is greeting the rain, the rebel regrets the absence of sun. When everybody is greeting, what do you mean by greeting beta? Greeting means welcome. ठीक है, किसी चीज को स्वागत करना. तो जब बारिश आ जाती है और सब लोग बहुत खुश हैं बारिश को देखकर, when everybody is welcoming rain, the rebel regrets the absence of sun. Regrets means पछताना. ठीक है, he is regretting, वो पछता रहा है कि सूरज क्यों नहीं है, ये बारिश कहाँ से आ गई. बिल्कुल ऑपोजिट है ना. जब बारिश है तो उसको सूरज चाहिए, जब सूरज है तो उसको बारिश चाहिए. ओके, when everybody goes to the meeting, the rebel stays at home and reads a book. Now when everybody is going to attend some meeting, what a rebel does? He will not go to attend any meeting anywhere. He will just stay at home and read a book. He will prefer that, okay, over meeting. वो नहीं जाएगा मीटिंग में, वो वहीं रहेगा. And when everybody stays at home and reads a book, the rebel goes to the meeting. Now when everybody is staying at home and is reading a book, rebel will say, oh, I have to leave for some meeting. I'm getting ready and I have to leave for some meeting. मुझे कोई मीटिंग अटेंड करने जाना है. आज वो घर पे नहीं रहेगा. क्यों? क्योंकि बाकी लोग घर पे हैं. उसको तो जो भी करना है ऑपोजिट करना है. ओके, दैट इज व्हाई ही इज अ rebel. When everybody says yes please, the rebel says no thank you. When everybody is saying yes please to anything, कि हाँ जी आने दो या बोलो जो भी चीज़ है, the rebel says no thank you. rebel कहेगा नहीं 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 चाहिए या ऐसा नहीं करो, thank you, we don't need it anymore. When everybody says no thank you, the rebel says yes please. और जब कोई कहता है नो थैंक यू, रेबल को क्या बोलना है? रेबल विल से yes please. So you can see all the lines in the poem are opposite to the first one. Okay, first, then second is opposite, then third, then fourth is opposite. So this is what a rebel is doing. He is having an opposite behavior. Okay, he is always reacting different from others in every point of time. Now it is very good that we have rebels. You may not find it very good to be. Now these two lines in the poem are very important and they have a bit deep meaning as well. Is it good that we should have rebels? ये अच्छा है क्या हमारे आसपास में rebels हों? What do you think? Yes, rebels should be there. Why beta? Rebels are important for us because they help us in thinking the other side of the coin. कोई भी बात होती है उसका एक पहलू नहीं होता, there are two. तो दूसरा पहलू कौन हमें दिखाता है बेटा? Rebel, because he thinks oppositely from other people. You may not find it very good to be one. आपको शायद अच्छा ना लगे खुद भी rebel होना, but rebels are good to be near you. Okay, so now we are done with the poem. I hope you all understood it very well. समझे बेटा सब लोग अच्छे से? Okay, so be prepared in our next class. We will discuss the question answer part. Until then, take care. Have a great day, beta.